अरे हिंदी छोड़ो यार, अभी
इंग्लिश में ले लो।
अभी सारा जैसे ट्रांसलेशन की तरह हो जाएगा सब कुछ. आई थिंक इंग्लिश वी कैन वर्क आउट. ओके, इंग्लिश में बोल देता हूँ.
आगे.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today I've taken charge as the Civil Aviation Ministry of the country, and I'm feeling extremely happy to be given this responsibility of leading the very important ministry, not only in the country but also in the entire world. First of all, I would like to thank our honorable leader of Telugu Desam Party and also the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, for giving me this opportunity to become a cabinet minister, and especially our team leader and Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi ji, for assigning me this important ministry of civil aviation. It was his choice for a young person to lead this important ministry, because he is not just viewing the past, but he is viewing the future and the next 25 years also. And he specifically wanted an educated, young, energetic person to lead it. And I'm very happy to be fitting that choice. And I would like to thank Narendra Modi ji for entrusting me with this huge responsibility. And also I would like to thank my people of Srikakulam and Andhra people who have made me as an MP for the third time. And it was only with their blessings that I sit here. And I would also like to remember my father, who was also a politician from Andhra Pradesh, who has served as a union minister, Mr. Yaran Naidu. He has passed away in an unfortunate accident, but he has been showing his blessings from the heavens. So I'd like to remember him again. So with all their blessings, I've taken a very important step in my life, in my political career, of becoming a cabinet minister and becoming a minister of civil aviation. And my only priority is that I have to do full justice for this responsibility of taking this up. And one of the most important priority for me is to create ease of flying scenario in the civil aviation, as the civil aviation air travel is becoming more and more approachable to the common man. And that has always been the motto of this government, that the whatever benefits that the government is providing, that has to reach to the last mile. It has to have the last mile connectivity. It has to reach the poorest of the poor man. And definitely in our agenda we will